Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your friend boxing's reviews and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a killer 2020 Hot Wheels. This is the Twin Mill Gen E. So basically, this is like an electric version of the Twin Mill we all know and love. It's from Hot Wheels Dream Garage, number 4 of 10 for 2020, and it's 62 of 250. And how can you tell it's a 2020? Well, you can see it's purple behind the 62. And on a 2021 Hot Wheels, there's no purple background behind that number. It's on USA Card. Scored this on one of my family dollars around a month ago. It's from the 2020 Diecasts. Got a lot of cars from the Diecasts for 2020. It's GHC25, which is the number. Twin Mill Gen E from Hot Wheels Dream Garage, number 4 of 10. The most epic Hot Wheels vehicles ever made, all together in one rockin' collection. This is a 2017 copyright. Alright, let's get this out of the packaging. What do you say? I'd say that's a clean open right there. Awesome! Alright, let's take a good look at this. Twin Mill Gen E. So the rear wheels spin independently. You can see right there, there's a nice look at that. That's nice. Here's a closer look at our Twin Mill Gen E. We got some gray RA6 wheels, and you can see, wow, it's really dinged up. That's weird. It was like that in the packaging, which is kind of strange. You can see how this paint is like all chipped up and stuff. Well, not chipped up, but it's like missing. Tampo's like missing. That's pretty crazy. Got some black and white stripes. Yeah, it's cool. That's pretty cool. It's a nice Twin Mill we got. It says Twin Mill Gen E right there. There's the front. All the green is die cast. Look at the other side. I think I still like the original Twin Mill better, but this is pretty cool. This is a different variation of it. This would make a great addition to the collection. You can see the yellow window, black interior, and a white plastic base. Kind of hard to see. Made in Malaysia with a 2018 copyright. Thanks so much for tuning in, and please subscribe to the channel for more. Goodbye.